Welcome back to my channel. Yogita Joshi here, talking to you about your inner child. Today I have chosen this topic because most of the times we don't know the reason of our likes, dislikes, pleasures, pains, why we love a few things a lot, why we hate a few things a lot, and we don't understand what is the thing that is deciding everything. See, I have already made detailed video about the various levels of the mind. Once again, I'm just mentioning that you have a conscious mind, you have a subconscious mind, and you have unconscious mind. The biggest part lies within the territory of your subconscious and unconscious mind, and only 10% part is there in the territory of the conscious mind, but that is also not being used by all the human beings. So we are just dealing the daily life activities with the 1 to 3% of our mind, and that's all. Now what happens? Actually, all the things, they are guided by the subconscious mind and the unconscious mind, because every experience of our life that goes nowhere, that goes within your own mind in the darkest area, and Carl Jung calls it the dark side of your personality. This shadow, this dark side of your personality, it never lies. Whatever it feels, it says, yes, I like it. And when that unconscious mind dislikes something, its reaction is once again very, very intense. So what is the role of the subconscious mind? Subconscious mind is a connection between the unconscious and the conscious, because we cannot directly open the unconscious and take the things out of that. No, it does not work that way, because it is beyond our reach. We only can operate 2 or 3%. If we are very, very intelligent, only then we can operate the 2 or 3% of the conscious mind. But rest of the things, they remain hidden all our life. But they are always guiding our conscious decisions. Your childhood experiences, according to Carl Jung, the first 5 years of your life, they are most important, and all the experiences of your conception period, when you were in the womb of the mother, then after birth experiences, or while birth experiences, or the early childhood experiences, the good things, the love of your loved ones, the pains that you had experienced, the accidents, the ailments, the emotions that you have been gone through, the touches that you have experienced in all those periods, when you were aware or unaware about your existence, that everything is stored in your unconscious mind. So that is why many things we cannot explain why this is my nature, and why I like this thing, and why I dislike this thing.